stuff, getting packed up. You know what time it is. Got your boy, Nick, racking up the bikes. Woo! Your boy, Craig.
What's up?
And the man, the myth, the legend, Scotty Too Hottie, driving on up.
What up, what up, what up? He cooks, he doesn't clean, he drinks a lot of beer.
All right, so this weekend we are heading to Crested Butte. The first campsite we are staying at is
Washington Gulch.
It's gonna be an awesome weekend. Quick little trip to a new place I haven't been here in Colorado.
6.5 hours later.
Wow, we are out here in the middle of nowhere. We just literally like climbed up a mountain with this 4Runner. Two of the guys saw a mountain cougar, also known as a mountain lion, run across the road.
What the hell? There's a goddamn cougar in the car. Oh, there's a cougar in the car. I put it in there. You gotta learn to drive with the fear. And there ain't nothing more goddamn frightening than driving with a live cougar in the car.
We crossed like a stream. I don't know, what would you call that? Is that like a small pond stream thing? A nice tester for tomorrow on Schofield Pass. We are just setting up camp. As you can see, Nick's over here getting ready to put up his tent. We're gonna put a fire on here pretty soon. And I think that means that's good night. See you people in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. We are about to cross a creek that I was telling you about last night. This 4Runner's got some meat on it. We just crossed that. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty eventful day today. The guys are going out mountain biking. I'm gonna do some hiking, fly the drone up over them, get some pretty sweet shots. Then we are heading down Schofield Pass, where a man once fought a bear and lived to tell the story.
Crazy fist. I'll come in with crazy fist.
Then we are heading to the Crystal Mill, an old abandoned gold mine. Gonna be pretty sweet up there too. And then I think we're gonna camp out there somewhere. Not sure. Nick, I think that's right.
I will figure it out. We're doing it live.
We're not very good at planning. But look at these views. out of it.
Is that your goal, to get to Athens?
Look at this lake. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. I can't believe it. Is this real? We out here heading down Schofield Pass. About to show you this cool little spot called Devil's Punch Bowl. Keep coming right.
Are you off? You're good. Do you have that thing shooting though?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
We just climbed over that boulder. Did you see that? That rock, that car. Oh my gosh. This thing's like as high as my kneecap. Goodness gracious. So that was probably one of the most beautiful cliff diving spots I've ever been. Not the best, there's not a lot of places to flip. As you can see by my front back flop, tried to do a front flip, didn't work out. But that little town that we just drove through, I don't even think it's a town, it was like a 20-foot span of road, was actually Crystal, and now we are at the Crystal Mill, which is the most photographed place in Colorado, supposedly. But you're gonna check.
Pretty damn sure.
Yeah,
I'll
I think.
have to go get that back in service.
Yeah, once we, yeah, at some point. But it's gorgeous. We're out here scoping for some spots. Gonna find a cool camping place for the night after we go into Marble, which is like a tiny town, and they got this sweet barbecue place. Starving. Look at this. Look at this. Stove. Oh my gosh, slow grooving barbecue. Middle of nowhere. Does life get better? Oh my gosh. Cornbread. Prime rib. Or brisket. Look, it's just a plate of meat. Like it came out on a plate. What is that? Oh, did you need some mac and cheese too? Because we got that. Double meat platter. Slow grooving barbecue. Check it out in, where's it at?
Marble.
Marble, Colorado, the middle of nowhere. Freaking awesome.
Slow grooving.
We don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we're gonna go post up in some tents, and the technical term is meat sweating out the remainder of the night. Thank you to Dr. Mantis Toboggan.
Take it from me. I am a doctor. Dr. Toboggan. Mantis Toboggan.
For that diagnosis. But I'm signing out, so we'll see you tomorrow. We don't know what's going on. Hasta la pasta. Morning breakfast, coffee. Still alive, still alive. Had a bloody nose, we're not so sure anymore. Now, I am by no means an expert at camping. Not even relatively close, nor do I have any certifications in any life or health safety. But I can tell you one thing, that camping in the dark, when you're driving out in the middle of nowhere, gives you amazing treasures like this.
What an awesome day. Literally did not plan anything. Went to, where did we go? Started off, found a lake next to our campsite. That was cool, you saw that. Then went on this random cliff diving spot. Had like a waterfall, flew the drone in there. Not very deep, but pretty awesome that we just stop on the side of the road out in the middle of nowhere and find spots like that. Then we stopped here, last spot, the grottos, also known as the ice caves, but the ice was a little bit melty in the water form. But you know the drill. Hit that like button if you like what I'm doing. Comment below if you think there's something that I should be doing or seeing, and subscribe if you aren't already.
I'm not subscribed yet even. Not convinced quite yet, but maybe after this one. We'll see. I don't know how it's gonna turn out yet, but.
And until the next adventure, we will be seeing you guys.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know